As I stand before you today, my heart is overflowing with love and gratitude. For all the years we've been together, I knew that you were the one I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. With you, I feel seen, cherished, and deeply understood. So thank you for not giving up on me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for the understanding. And thank you for being my rest. Simply thank you for everything.
I promise above all else to live in truth with you and communicate fully and fearlessly. I give you my hand and my whole heart as a sanctuary of warmth and peace, and pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our group, Mr. Mark Manibiran, and now, Mrs. Nicole Kapatay Manibiran.
Today, I vow to be your partner in all things, to support you, uplift you, and stand by your side through every joy and challenges that life brings our way. I promise to love you, to listen with an open heart, and to always strive to make our home a place of warmth, comfort, and unwavering love.
Just for the camera, baby, smile.
Pinayak si Monique.
Just for you.
Wag muna.
I love you, Anna, more than my life. Best wishes.
Nagsimula kami as friends, tapos ay siguro madalas nga kaming magkasama nung college, sa group studies, tapos yun nga, nakapag-try kami na 1 year magkasama sa isang house na kami lang, and kaya yun, nagkapalagay and ready to, parang masasabi namin sa aming sarili na we're ready ka.
Was a secondary plot.
The best thing that you can do in your married life is to love Mary Ann Nicole, your wife, and receive her love. Ikaw at walang iba ang makagagawa noon. Ikaw ang pinili ng Diyos para sa bagay na iyon. Ikaw ang plano ng Diyos na mahalin at tanggapin ang pagmamahal ni Mary Ann Nicole. Build your dreams because of that love and be inspired by that love, and learn to forgive and be forgiven by that love. And you will become the best person that God wants you to be because of that love.
Ayan, ito na ang gift ko. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Are you ready to spend your lifetime with Char? Haha. Eto, check. Hindi ko alam yung parts na gusto mo bilhin. See you later. I love you. Bibi, I love you. Thank you.
Are you ready?
Are you ready for posting?
Uy, thank you very much. May kiss na siya. Wallpaper na. Uy, grabe, hindi.
I am forever grateful for the gifts of your love. I want you to know that you are my rock, my confidant, and my greatest love. With you, I found a kind of happiness I never knew existed.
An expendable part. I knew that it was foolish, and I knew it would get back. I just couldn't get out before it got worse, before I got hurt.
As I join my life to yours, I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, couple who will be together. With my whole heart, I take you as my wife, acknowledging and accepting your faults and strengths, as you do mine.
Puta, parang...
Ano kaya mo?
Ano yung sabi lang niya ay
Happy, keep smiling, tapos see you tomorrow, ganun. Tapos may I love you.
Heartbeat. Back and forth against the
So, lagi siyang happy. Tapos makapag-provide ako sa kanya lagi unconditional love. Tapos ay hindi siya mahirapan. Though, hindi talaga natin may iwasan yun kapag nag-start ng family. Lalo na kapag nagsasama na kami ngayon sa isang bubong.
Wake up in my arms. How I love it when you take all of my parts. You're running with my heart.
Thank you for seeing the beauty in every part of me. I am forever thankful for your love and I promise to always cherish and adore for the exactly who you are.
Wake up in my arms. How I love it when you take all of my heart. You run with my
Patuloy kang pipiliin kahit sa panahong hindi ka kamahal-mahal at madalas mo akong iyamutin. I love you always, my husband.